Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I found a new spot to run. Look at these hills, and I figured what better vehicle than the Xmaxx to try this out. Hopefully this will be good. Alright everyone, just so you know, I was trying to take the Habal out today as well. I was going to run it in a different place, but unfortunately I think the ESC said, see ya, I'm out of here. I'm getting 4 blinking green lights. Now I was talking with Chris with the C. He sent me a video about unplugging the motor wires and that, and none of that worked to reboot it. I took the ESC wires, put it in the servo port, and then tried to steer. That should throttle it. That didn't work. I actually have a Hobbywing program card in here. It won't talk to the Hobbywing program card, and I can't even calibrate. Hold down the set button, turn it on. I can't even get it to go into calibration mode, so I think the ESC is shot. So now I got to figure out how to get a hold of Habal to do a warranty, hopefully. If not, you know, I got some ESCs at home. Just sucks, man. You know, it's the funny thing with electronics. They work and then they don't. But just so you guys know, I will have more content with this beautiful truck. I actually got a fix for underneath here, which I'll show in that video. I'm hoping this will fix this body braking, but I'll show that later when I actually do get that running. But for now, all eyes on the Xmaxx. Also happy to have my Insta360, my Ace #1 back. The Ace Pro 2, they're gonna send me a brand new one. Right now they're kind of out of stock or so. That's what I was hoping for. Oh my, dude, that's freaking awesome. But yeah, they're out of stock on the Ace 2s, or they're like a month behind on the orders. So they said when they get one in, they're gonna send me a new one. Dude, oh my god, I'm loving it. Except for these things here, I'm pretty sure those are fire ant mounts. Which, right there, that would be a fire ant mount. We do not want to mess with those. Those are evil. Oh man. Dude, hell yeah. Oh man, that's freaking amazing. Oh, hell yeah. I gotta be careful going this way because it's a street. I don't want to land it. Ooh, oh, look, that was a hard hit. Dude, oh man. Oops. I do not know why I just throttled that. I don't know why I hit the damn throttle there. I gotta say, you know, I just recently did a review on the Mini Max, which I'm actually picking up tomorrow. So that video will probably be out before this one. But yeah, people with the freaking Traxxas plastic, toy grade plastic, blah blah. How do you? Just the hate, man. It's, if you don't like the brand, you don't like it. But that is not toy grade plastic, man. You just see what that hill's about as tall as me, about 6 foot. So it probably came up, dropped about 8 foot. Sometimes, man, the hate for one brand or another, man, it's just freaking crazy. Boy, I lost the Xmaxx. There it is. Ooh, what the hell? Freaking bush. Damn. All right. I'll take a note of that. Oh, man. I think I might have found a... Well, I definitely found another spot to run, man. I like this spot. I'll tell you what, man, I got the 1-year review coming up on the, oh, yeah. Damn. On the 6S Creighton. And that car loves the jump. That car loves it. So, hell yeah. I'm gonna run it out here. That's where I'm gonna do my review. All right, I'm not liking this hole right here. It's not a... I thought the car would jump a little bit better out of here. Oh man, but yeah, that hill. That thing is sweet. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see if there's any place else cool to run this thing. Dude, this is where like Xmaxxes and stuff like that really excel, these big open fields. I need to go get my other GoPro, man. I need to video that. I need to video that. So now it's time to see if the I'm gonna pause this and see if my audio doesn't go out of sync. 3, 2, 1. All right, hopefully my audio is in sync. That's the whole reason this camera went back. I would use the pause feature, which is really handy when you're doing YouTube. So then you don't end up with 15 clips and a bunch of dead space to edit. But I'd come back, I would nail the throttle on the car, and then 2 seconds later you'd hear it, and it was just... So hopefully it's gonna be fixed. Whoa! It's scary. I got GoPro down there. Whoa! I don't want to hit it. So let me stand. Hope you guys enjoy the B-roll. This is a little behind the scenes. Show you what we gotta do to sometimes get these shots. Oh man, I think I almost went over the camera. Ooh. Didn't mean to do that. Oh no. Ah. One thing I wish Traxxas would fix is the bodies on these. Come up, just redo the shock towers and make it like the XRT mount. Look at that, the Xmaxx got hungry. Let me get that for you, buddy. Oh, that was cool, yeah. I'll tell you, this is the kind of space that appreciate a big RC like this. Ah, this is awesome. I'm not saying smaller, like 10 scale stuff can't have fun out here, but it's probably not. It's probably gonna. I mean, look at how tall the grass is on this thing. Like, if you know the size of an Xmaxx, then you know. I mean, look, like the smaller cars are gonna struggle. This just doesn't care. Ah, man, the Xmaxx. You want proof that C ratings on batteries ain't shit? All right, those are Traxxas batteries, 25C. My XRT has a hobby wing, and I have my XRT has a hobby wing, and it has the IC5s on there. So I run like the Z batteries, and why does it not feel any more powerful? Ooh, well, that dug in. All right, everyone, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I don't want to make the video too long. I just wanted to come out here, have some fun, the Xmaxx, and I was gonna run, like I said, the Habal, but oh man, I love this truck. This is fun. Oh, I'm gonna definitely come out here some more. I can't wait to run the Creighton out here, because that thing is so light. The power to weight ratio is phenomenal, man, and it Alright, everyone, from me and the Xmaxx, we thank you for joining us. Remember, guys, keep it positive, man. No brand is perfect. You know, it's nothing wrong with having your favorites, but that doesn't make other brands bad. I really get, it's just tiring, the back and forth. Traxxas crap, armor shit, blah, blah. Damn, man, get over it. They all make good cars. None of them are perfect. Everything's gonna have issues. So, you know, it's what it is. I find it funny, people complain about buying a small car and then, oh, you need all this money to upgrade it, but they'll buy an Xmaxx or something, and they'll go spend a couple $100s on a new ESC and everything. Which, why? I mean, I get it to a point, but I mean, how is it I got 2 years on the factory electronics, and does that, I mean, is that slow? Does that not have power? I don't get it. Oh, God, things tank. All right, everyone, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. This will probably come out afterwards, but I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. All right, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate the support. Thumbs up, the likes, the shares, comments, all that. Those of you that shop my Amazon or use my affiliate links when buying these cars, thank you very much. It helps me tremendously to buy these and give you content, because you got, I don't want to make this too long, but you got channels that review cars, and that's fine, but then you never see the car again. You don't know how they do after a year or 2 years. You never see them again. I'm out here like running cars that aren't like exactly brand new. Yeah, I bring you brand new review stuff, but I also try to run some of the older stuff, man. Just show, you still have fun with older stuff, and just come out here and enjoy the hobby. But yeah, so thank you very much, everyone. See you on the next one.
Bye.